everybody, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. I am coming to you today with a project share and a new kit, and it's for a boho banner. And this is a banner that I made using the kit as a prototype so you can see. And you're going to get everything included to make a banner just like this one. So I've got lots of sari and trims and little embellishments in here, as you can see. I used a little piece of a necklace on mine. Then we've got some fibers, some bead dangles, some mirrors, all kinds of bits of sari, and then more fringe and beaded dangles. And this is all done on a canvas banner. You can see the back. And it's got this little silk string for hanging. So this kit is going to be $15 plus shipping, and here's what you're going to get in the kit. You're going to get an 8.5 by 11.5 banner with the hanger. Then you're going to get a super generous piece of this really pretty bright pink and purple silk sari with the gold edge. This is folded over, I think, 4 times. So it's more than enough to go over the entire front and back of your banner and have leftovers. You'll actually have stuff left over with this after you complete your banner. And then you're going to get some little pieces of sari. So here's one example. And then we've got some other sari bits, different colors. There's a bright blue, a bright green. We've got some of this really pretty fabric, another piece of sari. Then we've got a piece that's got bling on it. We've got this one that's sheer with gold sequins. We've got this little piece of sari with all the pearls and the sparkle. We've got this one. So each kit will have different ones that are beaded and sparkly, but the silk sari pieces are all the same. Here's another silk sari piece and another one. And then you're going to get some of these, and these are actually off of a sari tunic. These are pretty with the beads and the sparkles. And then you're going to get some trims like you saw in mine. You're going to get this one, and this one's like an orange, green, and a blue. Then you're going to get this one that's more of natural colors with the beaded dangle. It's the brown and black beads. You're going to get this one that's beaded with the pom-poms. Then you're going to get some gold fringe. And then you're going to get a piece of this one. And then you're going to get a little pack like this in your kit. Let's see if I can get it open. And in this little pack, oop, come out of there. You've got 2 of these really cool wooden buttons that have the Moroccan type of prints or Indian. You're going to get 2 of these gold buttons. You're going to get 2 or 3 mirrors, 2 of the squares and 1 of the ovals, and then you're going to get 2 of these little bling pieces. These would be cool if you wanted to make a little flower center to put on there, like a boho flower. And the other thing that would be cool, you could make your own beaded, like a boho bead, and attach that to your banner as well. So again, I'll show you mine, and then the only thing that I added to mine that's not in the kit were some of these fibers that I tied to the edges of mine, and then this piece of a necklace that was in my stash. So everything else that's on here was from the kit. So you can make one of these beautiful boho banners with this kit for $15 plus shipping. And to order one, you can comment below, or you can email me and I'll leave my email address in the description box below. So thanks so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you'll be notified when I have new content. And just to remind everybody, I will be back tomorrow selling in a hop, and my time slot will be from 11 to 1 a.m. Eastern. Friday and Saturday I will be selling handmade items both days, so check back then. And I'll be back again in a bit to draw the winner for my vintage banner giveaway. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.